all that seasoning and oil get all over that chicken. There you have it. Now you have your fajita chicken ready to go. Okay, with your vegetables on your sheet tray, guys, grab that chicken and place it on the sheet pan. Just go ahead and spread it all over the sheet pan. Don't worry if it's on top of vegetables or not. Just make sure you separate it so you can get some even cooking. Y'all see mine? That's what you're looking for. You're looking for your chicken and your vegetables to be all on the pan. We're gonna go ahead and put this entire sheet pan in the oven. Remember, your oven has been preheating at 425. So this is gonna go in the oven for exactly 20 minutes. So it's all put together for you guys. Now it's
that looks amazing. Yes.
Hold on, let me show you.
Okay, you show me. Let me see yours.
Get ready.
Oh, beautiful. Look at that chicken. It's perfect. And now's the time to call the family and say, dinner.
Wow.
Here.
Wow, qué lindo. Ay, gracias para la
You can
lechuga.
see it.
Not gonna lie, this is mega good.